Fluffy bunnies.
Fluffy bunnies.
Wait. Go.
Fluffy bunnies.
Fluffy bunnies.
You're already losing.
You can't chew it.
Can't chew it.
I'm not chewing it.
Go on, put it in.
Fluffy bunnies.
Fluffy bunnies.
I think we know who's got the biggest mouth so far then.
You've got them all in one side.
Go on.
Fluffy bunnies.
Fluffy bunnies.
When you start laughing, it becomes so much. We're on 5. We're on 5.
He's got no space.
Fluffy bunnies.
Jacob, you look like you've had your wisdom teeth out.
Number 6.
Oh, talk about Marlon Brando in The Godfather.
I don't know where to put it. Go on.
Fluffy bunnies.
Fluffy bunnies.
Do you want to go for 7?
I don't think Charlie can.
It's hurting my mouth.
Charlie, have you got
No! Charlie! Charlie
I
got
have
to
to learn
6.
to win.
Charlie got to 6.
Fluffy.
No. Okay. So I got to 7. Okay.